Okay, not bad. Something different. And we got this Pili Kutti Mirchi Tangri here. What an interesting name. Let's see how this tastes. So guys, this is how it is. Let's see. Really nice. It's totally non-spicy. Very good. It's not extremely tender, but the taste is really nice. And we got some salmon special here. This is veg shami kebab, haryali kebab and sabudana vada. It's all fried guys. The sabudana vada is fried. Very decent, very nice. So guys, let's try the potato. Very nice. And that's the haryali kebab. So tender that is. The haryali kebab is amazing. Very well made. Right now I've got some corn. They're crispy corn guys. So let's see how this tastes. Brilliant. Very well made. It's got a bit of chaat masala on that. So with some onion. It's just too good. Really amazing. Now we got some mutton sheikh kebab. Guys, this is really nice. It's so juicy. And I definitely recommend this. Really amazing. We got some fried chicken, some paneer and some pineapple. So let's try the pineapple first, how this tastes. This is the tandoor pineapple actually, pretty good. So now we have the paneer. The paneer looks damn soft. So it's really nice. Let's taste how it is. Paneer is also very nice. Very well made. It's already been marinated. This gets heated up here. I think it's really nice. Now let's try the crispy chicken. So this he gives it separate. He doesn't give it on the tandoor. Of course, this crispy means it's fried. Let's try the crispy chicken. Crispy chicken is very good. Very good and very juicy. It's really tender at the same time. Guys should try out Barbecue Nation. It's really good. This is the garlic. And this is the tomato chutney and this is the mango. I've tried the mango, it's tasty and tangy. Now let's try the garlic. So guys, let's try the garlic dip first. Very nice. Tastes very good. So guys, you can put this dip, apply it onto your skewers. So you take your brush, try whatever you want. and just let's see how that really tastes. I think this should be a killer combination. So guys, I'm going to try this onto this. Let's see how this tastes. Supposed to make it more juicier. Let's see. Guys, we have Mr. Bibash here, the manager.
Hi.
Really nice here.
How's the barbecue starter?
Amazing.
And
Really
spicy level is perfect. More spicy, less spicy.
Ekdam perfect. Very good.
And service, how the service is good.
Amazing.
If you have to change anything, just let me ask and definitely I'll make it good for you.
Gee, definitely.
You just bring the excellent bow and bread. You don't take the good. You have to make it excellent.
This is just amazing. The service is brilliant. I'm at Worldly right now at Atrium Mall at Barbecue Nation, and they are really nice people. A must place to come here and try the food. The hospitality is amazing.
Thanks.
Really thank you for your hospitality, and the food is really amazing.
So do you have any birthday occasion?
Yes, it's actually my birthday. I'm celebrating my
Happy birthday, sir. Many
Thank you so much.
We are supposed to small cake to celebrate the birthday at the day.
Oh, that's going to be amazing.
Thanks.
So guys, we have a cake also given by them. It's really sweet. So guys, this is the chicken where I put the dip on. Let's see really it's that many change in taste. It tastes really nice. I tasted this just before the dip I put. Guys, this is the lemon oil. So let's try this. So guys, this is the chicken with the lemon oil. So let's try. It definitely changes the taste. I think it really tastes very well. Very good. I really appreciate they giving the dip to this. Again, it's really amazing. Since it's Shravan special, they have given us some bhajiyas. This is the kanda bhajia. This is the aloo bhajia. Really nice. Very well cut potatoes. It's really tasty, crispy. It's definitely deep fried, but it's definitely well worth trying. It's amazing. And the next thing is the kanda ka bhajia. Well guys, the kanda bhajia tastes very good, but I like the potato better. This is for basically the Shravan special, which I just showed you. So guys, this is the chart counter. You can ask a request and they will make it for you. And let's check the other side. That's the non-veg counter. So you could see the tangri kebab kind of a thing had come. It's come from here, the fried chicken. And this is the non-veg tadka counter. So guys, this is from the chaat counter. This is the safe puri. I think it's okay. It's nothing great. Not bad, but definitely edible. So we have the next thing is the main course. So I've got some mutton, some chicken, some dal rice and paneer to taste. So let's see how this is. So guys, this is a bone chicken. It's not boneless. So anyway, getting the boneless in the barbecue. So yeah, you can definitely skip that part. So let's see how this tastes. Very good. It's very tender. No complaints, definitely worth trying. So let's try the mutton right now. Again, this is all with bone. The boneless is only the barbecue. The mutton is again very tender. I don't have to wrestle with it. By the way, there's some fat on it. And it looks pretty good. Let's see. Wow, that is really good, yeah. It's better than the chicken also. Very well made, well cooked. It's not spicy either. Very nice. Now let's go for the paneer. Okay, the paneer is definitely not soft. It's a little tangy. Well, if I was eating at this place, I would probably skip it. But now let's try the dal rice. So guys, you can have roti naan according to you. Whatever you want, you can ask for it. So guys, I've got the tandoori roti. You can have a butter also, but I don't want a butter roti anyways. So guys, first let's try this. I got some chili chicken also. So first let's try the dal rice. The dal rice is unbelievably awesome. It is so good. It's one of the best dals I've ever eaten. It's really well made. So guys, the chili chicken is there. I know it looks a little offbeat. So this is a Punjabi and I'm eating it Chinese, but what the heck, let's go try it, yeah. Let's see how this tastes. It's piping hot, just made. It's really tasty. It's super juicy. The sauce on it is really amazing. Damn soft. Very juicy. Well, the barbecue is amazing. You cannot beat that. But the main course is also really good. I would definitely recommend this place. I've still not tried these desserts yet, which I'll go after this. But guys, this is amazing. It comes in fryums. You can take whatever you want. And trust me, you want something to eat, something special, they will give it to you. This is definitely okay, not the best, but good enough. But the barbecues were amazing. And this main course is also very good. The tandoori roti it's fresh, it's just made now. You're going to order what you want. It's damn soft. I think the food is definitely upstandard. So guys, I have Mr. Nihal Akshay with me, the chef of Barbecue Nation, Worli, Atrium Mall. Let's have some viewers from him. Please tell us about your service and everything.
They're like famous food restaurant in the Mumbai, all over India. Like it's the 138 branches all over India, and out of India it's 5 branches.
Yeah.
It's like the people are liking very much regarding the food, like varieties and all.
But I must say, chef, the food is really amazing.
Thank you.
It's hats off. Really, your service is outstanding.
Thank you.
And the food is also outstanding. Thank you so much for your effort for serving us so good.
Thank you very much.
We'll visit again here.
Thank you.
Thank you. And the chef is giving some special paneer tikka masala. Have a look at this, guys. It's just freshly made. It's really soft this time. This is really amazing, juicy. I told chef about it. It was not very, it was a little hard. This time it's really soft, well made. Amazing. Really thanks to the chef. I mean, he made specially for us. So guys, if you need anything, just ask and they will do it for you. This place is a must come here. Thank you Barbecue Nation for such amazing service.
ये हमारा स्टार्टर है, वो भी आपको प्लेट में सर्विस हुआ है। और ये कैजुअल क्रिस्पी कॉर्न, उसके बाद ये सर हमारा आप इधर से चेंज कर सकते हैं। वेज स्टार्टर्स, नॉन वेज स्टार्टर्स, डेजर्ट्स, सलाद, उसके बाद सूप, वेज सूप, नॉन वेज सूप, आप बहुत इधर से देख सकते हैं। जब आप लाइव काउंटर देखने जा रहे हैं तो आप इधर से भी देख सकते हैं। आपको जो भी चाहिए लाइव काउंटर से वो इधर मिलेगा बना के, सिर्फ आपको बना के देगा।
So guys, this is Mr. Amar Kumarji. He served me the food. Service again, his was unbelievable. And now he's telling me the menu. You can take anything you want. There are more than 100 dishes. And I think this is the place to come and try the food. Thank you, Amarji. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Guys, this is dessert counter.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't justified by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit.
So guys, this is the desert. I'm pretty eager to try the pan first. You can see it's come with some mukwas and everything. So let's see how this really tastes. It's got some gulkan in it. Let's go guys, let's try this. Guys, I'm going to take a bite actually live. I want to show you how this tastes. It's really amazing. Guys, it is unbelievable. The gulkan, the pan, the mukwa, it tastes outstanding. This is like 10 out of 10. An amazing kulfi. Now let's come with the malai kulfi. Wow. Unbelievable. Both the kulfis are just too good. Just too good, man. But I like the pan first. Then I would go for this. We got some jalebi, some fresh fruits, moong dal ka halwa. This is the chocolate cake. This is the brownie. Tastes very good. It was not the chocolate cake, it's a brownie. So this is the chocolate cake. And not sure what name is this, but let's see how this tastes, guys. It's like a mango souffle. Really nice. So I got a cupcake looking thing here. Let's see. Oh wow, that's hard. Well guys, this is okay. Not bad, definitely edible. So we got a tart kind of a thing here. Looks cute, looks very nice. The outer covering is very soft, very creamy, very nice. Definitely liked it a lot. And this is the mousse with like blueberry in it, and it is amazing. This is firni. Let's see how this tastes, guys. Wow, the firni is really nice, fresh. This you can see, it's so fresh, really well made. So now you got some baby gulab jamun. This is superb. It's hot, very soft. I have definitely recommend all this. And this is the jalebi. Wow, it is super crispy and it's mind blowing. Really amazing. Desserts also are must try here. Well, this is okay according to me. Rest, everything has just been superb. Superb. Definitely a place to be, try, have fun with friends and family. Awesome food. So guys, this is the birthday cake given at Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation, you just walk. Thank you, you're making my day special. Yes, Amarji, thank you so much. Barbecue Nation, this is from your side. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. This is the bar. You can order your drinks. Everything is served here. Everything is there. The kitchen where they make chicken and everything, which you get on the barbecue. The kitchen is very clean. Very clean. Look at that. It's so clean. So this is the place, guys. So guys, the food was amazing. A must place to go. Must try if you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, anything, or just even not an occasion. The food is brilliant. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Sayonara.